Hello everyone, today I'm gonna combine cubing and geometry dash for the second time. This time we have here my keyboard, which already was, and not one, not two, but three cubes now. And so we're gonna beat rapid lightning. But if I die, like as example, before 33, I'll pick the easiest one. This one's the easiest. If I die, if I'll die at uh, in between 33 and like 66, I'll solve the second hardest. If I die in between 66 and 99, well, 100, I'll solve a normal Rubik's Cube. Let's get right into this challenge. But we're not gonna go heading first. So, I have actually here a start position copy and we'll just practice the level a little bit since and yes, I've trained for this. I already beat this level as my most recent demon completion. Okay, we're getting pretty good times already. Oh well, records. I got a Java notification. We don't need so many notifications on videos. Okay, that was the hardest part. What was that? 78 to 100. Nice. Next up. Okay. Yes, if I'll die in this part, I have to solve the normal Rubik's Cube, since it's the hardest of the three puzzles I've picked. And no, I have no idea why there's an ambulance screaming right now. But in my region at least it's really noisy of ambulances. I don't know why people get so many problems with themselves, but things happen. And I just died to the most unreasonable death ever. But who cares? When we have videos to create. And that in another stupid segment. Nice. Let's go. Oh my god. Why am I so noob in this? If this is just so easy. Yeah, you know what, I'll practice from here. No, wait, no, I'm practicing from 53. Can you get the 53 to 100? How'd it be? It would feel so good. Since I could have passed from whatever percent this is, since... Yeah, my camera is blocking my percentage. Nice! From here I just beat it. I've never died in this last ship, since it's just so easy. Not to die to, but to complete. And how'd I die there? Nice! I'm dying to the most stupid parts ever. How am I even dying to that? And in case you're wondering why I'm not solving Rubik's Cubes now, well, I'm practicing the level. That's what I'm doing. Yep, if we focus, we beat it. And let's just place my keyboard better. Nice. And now, it's time to go on the real rapid lightning. Here it is. There was already a start position happy. Why did I bother making one? Oh well, now you have it. So, let's just go. These two saw blades will probably kill me, but no, they didn't. Nice. Actually, wait a second. We'll have to do some modifications first. Let me just do that. And yeah, I'm sorry that I'm moving my camera on video. Sorry. Now I can see the percentage since my camera is staying on my monitor and my percentage is staying on the same point. So I'm sorry for doing that, but I have to do what I have to do. Wait a second. Can you at least see me click? Come on, what will I do now? Wait a sec. I might have an idea. Yeah, that's a lot better. Sorry. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what just happened. Okay. Okay, so that was 38%. So that will mean I will need to solve the... And my cube doesn't even fit in the camera. Now that's better. And so let's just scramble it, and in case you're wondering how it turns, I know it does turn pretty weirdly, but just ignore that. At least I know how to solve it. Okay, let's go. No. 1 second, I'll have to do some algorithms on the ground. Since... yeah, whatever. But at least I'm doing steps. Okay. So that would mean like that, and then... nice. So in case you're wondering how to solve this thing, is basically just making a face with of course a layer completed. This is if you're into cubing. Then make the top face and then do the rest of the 6 faces, and I know what I just did. So then we'll do another face, which you can see right here. I did the blue one, and so we have now white, yellow, and blue. For a second, that's better. And now with one simple 8 move algorithm, we can just finish off this thing. And no, I'm not using any solvers. I'm doing this all by myself. That was this cube, by the way. The rest of the puzzles are the Ivy cube and the 3x3. In case you're wondering. Okay, let's play. This is so uncomfortable. What was that? Well, I don't remember exactly the percentage, cause 1 second. It was 0.7, right? My spawn time was 0.7. You didn't see anything. I just didn't have. Okay, sorry, but seriously, that respawning speed just way too fast for me. Next up, like this death will have to be solved. The Ivy cube. So it's the same as this cube for solving, which is basically to first make a face. So that will mean like this. Then go to the other side and make the other face. So that will mean like that. And from there just make everything else with a 4 move algorithm now. As easy as that. Sorry, cause okay. And I think we'll change our solving spot. No! That won't consider cause I did that accidentally. Sorry. You didn't see anything. But I still have to log in. How'd I get here? 49! Oh no, oh no. Oh my gosh. And I knew there's a meme number for that, but I'll just ignore that. Hey! You didn't say anything. So, for this we have to solve this cube. This cube is actually the easiest event you can compete in competitions. And that was a 4 move solve, so that won't count, okay? Okay, now it's... Wait, no. It's not efficiently scrambled. Now that's better. Oh, wait a second. So that one goes in there. Now this one will go in here, and this piece of spot goes in here. Now, that? Oh, okay. Put it into the other faces, and the cube just solved itself. That was not a bad scramble. And I will die at 5%. Okay, I didn't die at 5. And no, I'm not cursed with dying always at 5%, I'm just saying. Yeah, definitely not. Okay, seriously, no. Okay, so we'll have to solve this cube. At least. But if I'll die to an unreasonable death, of course I have to solve it. Okay, new best. Oh my god, I hate this ball so much. And this upside down ship. Since they're both mirrored and they also have pretty fair gameplay. I died to a bug. So which one will we consider if I die at 66? I would say if I didn't die at 66.6666, we'll still have to solve this cube. Like yes. Since, I mean, no, the 3x3 isn't that hard, but... Oh well. And yes, I did a relay of all of these 3 puzzles. But... And in case you're wondering, yeah, my finger tricks are pretty loud, but... I just don't know normal finger tricking for cube. I mean, something like... Yeah, I don't know. I'm not... well, at least I know how to solve it. That's the good part. And at least my personal record is... Like... 12 seconds. Yeah, 12 seconds. I haven't practiced cube before. I mean, I have, but I mean, now I'm not practicing it as much as I did before. But well, I got it for my birthday. My birthday was like what, a month ago? A month and something. Oh no. No, I have to solve a 3x3 now. This is just the Rubik's brand. It turns awfully. But I guess if we just did this challenge, I have to solve it. Okay, let's go. So, first step of solving the 3x3, at least in my opinion, the easiest first step you could do is to make a white line matched to the centers, then the whole cross, and I inserted and no, I'll not be here for like an hour. Starting right now the 3x3. I know how to solve it, but I'm just not that fast, and with this Rubik's brand, oh well, I guess I'll just have to. I mean, not like it turns badly, I guess it's been lubricated since my cousin gave it to me, and yeah, I just think it's lubricated. And no, not lubricated WD-40. Of course not. Why am I always making jokes on lubricating with WD-40? And in case you're wondering, yeah, I'm far into the solve. I'm really far. I'm already done with the first two layers, and we're on to corner permutation, which is basically just kinda twisting the corners, but in a legal way. Nice. Now I hope will not die far, but wait, that was a reasonable death. That what I just died to. Like, look, just look where my icon is. Just look. Is this a reason? Is this a reasonable death? Just look. What? What? Oh well. If I'll die to a soul blaze, yeah, I was mid dead. I really like this level. I mean, the song is just Clarifunk, which not a lot of people like, but I would say that I mean the first half and like the one mini ball part at like what 50%. I mean the song in there is just way too bad. But wait a second, wait a second. You're looking. No way. GG. No, it's good game. That was the actual second time I should be this level. And that is just 17 minutes. The message, wait a second. The message is like, never before have I seen such skill. Come on, it's not that hard, Top. Okay, wait a second. How many attempts do I have in general on this? 12 attempts. That's not true. That's not true. Since if we'll just go on my start position copy, you'll see 523 attempts. Like, I'm serious right now. The attempts on the regular rapid lightning are just resetting for some reason. I know, but it's not 12 attempts. Definitely not. I'm serious. But I wanna solve the Ivy Cube again. I just solved it once in this video, right? No, twice, right? Yeah, I guess twice. I mean, I really like the concept of this thing. I mean, it's just cool, okay? I just like it. Really? Why does this always happen to me? Why am I getting two corner twists? And in case you're wondering, legally corner twisting Ivy Cube is actually possible. So as you can see over here, wait a second. So look, yeah. So see, this corner needs to be twisted like this, but because this is a corner turning puzzle, it also actually takes the three adjacent centers with it. But if you do a short algorithm, it will twist the corner in another way. So that means you can just solve the cube from a twisted corner, which is the strangest thing I've ever seen. When I realized this was actually possible in the same day I got my AV cube, I was like, wait, what? What? Yeah, I was just so confused, but I'm still confused because it just makes no sense. A puzzle that you can legally corner twist. In case you have this scramble, a non-cuber will think, wait, this is the easiest puzzle ever. It's one turn away from being solved, and then yeah, they just can't turn it, and if they try, what? Yeah, it's so confusing for a non-cuber. But in general, solving this is not a struggle. It's actually a really easy puzzle. And that was a pretty easy challenge, but I'll just do rapid learning once more. One more time! And hopefully beat it. This become a level showcase. Am I one attempting this? Oh my god, 72. No, the challenge doesn't continue anymore, but I say that was a pretty good run. Let's try what 64 to 100. Let's just try it. Wait, why am I going into the editor? No, you don't do that. Wait a second. Let's just go to. Oh no, this is 66 to 100. And I just see the percentage 67. Yeah, you're gonna scream 67 in chat, right? Oh well. Yeah, this part's way too easy. 3. There have 11 two runs. Okay. You can't verify a level if it has a star pause. I know about that. Oh well. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you guys next time.